How to change hero skin in Marvel Rivals. So first what you need to do is just simply click on the heroes tab here at the top. Once that's done, just pick a hero that you want to change the skin of. So let's say I want to change the skin of Iron Man right here. So click on that character, then click on cosmetics here at the top. Once you're there, you can now pick from the skins or costumes that Iron Man has. So let's say you want this Iron Man, the superior Iron Man. So you just simply need to click on the acquire button right here and it will bring you to this page. You simply need to wait or skip the animation. And now, as you can see, it will show you the price of that particular costume. And you just simply need to press right here to buy it if you have the money or gold to purchase it, just like that. As you can see, you need 1/6 more for this purchase to compensate and complete the purchase right there. And once you have it, you can now equip it here on your costumes page. And that's basically it.